The Mystery of the Vanishing Starfruit. Once upon a time, in the vibrant village of Mango Meadows, lived a curious little monkey named Milo. Milo had always loved exploring the lush tropical rainforest surrounding his home. One sunny morning, Milo woke up to find his favorite starfruit tree completely bare. Not a single starfruit remained.
This is strange.
Milo thought.
I had been watching those starfruits ripen for weeks.
Determined to solve the mystery, Milo set off on an adventure. He hopped from tree to tree, searching for clues. Along the way, he met his friend, Lulu the parrot.
Lulu,
Milo asked.
have you seen anyone taking the starfruits?
Lulu tilted her head.
I had been flying over the village all morning, but I didn't see anyone near your tree.
Milo continued his search, venturing deeper into the rainforest. He stumbled upon a trail of tiny footprints leading towards the Whispering Waterfall. As he followed the footprints, he noticed something peculiar, a trail of sparkling starfruit juice.
Someone had been carrying a lot of starfruits.
Milo realized. The footprints led him to a hidden cave behind the waterfall. Inside, Milo found a family of adorable fruit bats, their mouths stained with starfruit juice.
We're so sorry, Milo.
The baby bats squeaked.
We had been trying to find food for our little ones, and your starfruit smelled so delicious.
Milo felt a pang of sympathy for the hungry bats. He understood their desperation.
It's all right.
Milo said with a smile.
I have plenty of starfruits. But next time, you can ask me, and we can share.
The fruit bats were overjoyed. They thanked Milo and promised to return the favor. From that day on, Milo and the fruit bats became the best of friends, sharing the delicious starfruits of Mango Meadows.